Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. First things first, massive love and thanks to Shioshi, one of my juniors in school. She actually tried out the chocolate Oreo cake that I showed in my previous video, and she also sent through a picture. I'm gonna put that picture somewhere on the screen for you to see. If you want to check out my last video, you can click the link in my description box. Um, yeah, that's all. Let's start today's video. Today we are going to be shooting science in the face and frying an ice cream. For that, we need regular cornflakes, just an egg. How you doing? Ice cream of any flavor that you like. There's no specification. Now, I don't have the proper equipment for this, but I'm just taking random spoons and forks and whatever I have in the kitchen. Our main motive is to make balls out of the ice cream. So it's really a tough job, I'll tell you, without having the proper equipment. And I'm placing them on the ice tray. I found this very convenient. You can use a dish or anything that you want. Our main motive here is to try to make it as circular as possible, like balls of ice cream, but they don't look so nice to me. Anyway, we'll just have to settle for that. This is purely an experiment, so I don't expect things to be very perfect like this one. Oh god, this is a total mess. No. Anyway, we'll just have to see that it kind of forms something close to a circle. This is the closest to wall that I could come. I mean, this is just so hopeless already. But yeah, I think it'll work out. We'll now put the entire tray in the freezer for it to freeze for around 3 to 4 hours. Now take your cornflakes and just grind it. You can do it with your hands. I prefer doing it in the mixer. It need not be very fine because we'll be using it instead of breadcrumbs. So I think this will just do. We now take our hero and break him into two. Ouch. Now whisk the egg with all the energy you got. It should come out really smooth. I got this plastic fork. I'm using a plastic one, by the way. I got this with one of the 2-minute Maggi noodles. So I like to keep small cute things. I don't throw them away. Yeah, we just keep on whisking it real nice. Now we preheat a pan and pour our vegetable oil into it. We'll be frying the ice cream balls, so we'll have to put in a little more oil than we usually consume every day. So yeah, that's me deciding on how much more should I put in. Okay, that's too late now. Just do it. Yep, there, right there. You understand how much oil you need and just pour it in. Now we need to be very fast at this step. That is, we have to coat our ice cream balls, before they start melting off. This one here has already started melting off. Oh god, this looks so bad. Oh my god. This is such a struggle. And now we put it in the cornflakes, the ones that we prepared before. I'm going to be doing this 2 times. Very quickly, I just drop it into the oil, and we'll just have to wait for some time, for each side to become a little golden brown, and then we can take it out. We fry each side for a few seconds, not even minutes, because it is going to melt everything down otherwise. So you see it has already turned a little golden brown, and I'm not keeping it for long in the pan. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good now. So here's the final product. It looks so good, so crispy from the outside. I mean, at one go, nobody will ever believe that it is ice cream in the inside. But make sure you serve it very quick because you don't want things to melt down. Just look at that, it looks so good. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please share it with your friends, ask them to subscribe, like, comment. I love reading your comments, and thanks a lot for all the support. Thanks a lot for tuning in. I hope that you'll have an amazing week ahead. Big love. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.